Hey guys, unfortunately I was too slow to start the camera before I opened the box. This is the replacement tablet from Nvidia. I got it today via UPS. So, yes, let's open the box up. You can see what it looks like. So, here we have the Nvidia Shield Tablet. I see some fingerprints on the foil. I don't touch the tablet yet. I only opened the tape on the sides. So here we have the tablet. It's a normal retail box. So yeah, there are definitely some fingerprints on the side. Sorry for the autofocus. Yes, but otherwise it looks okay. So what do we have? What else does we have here? Here we have the charger. And it looks also brand new. Galaxy Note, come on, focus. Yes. It's the normal charger. Here we have the booklet, Nvidia Shield information. Here we have the two adapters, European, also brand new, and I think US one, I don't know. And the USB cable. By the way, I'm coming from Germany, so and the replacement was shipped from the Netherlands. Yes, via UPS. So here we have the normal USB cable and the tablet. It looks like brand new, only the foil is touched. Doesn't look like there's anything touched under the foil. So, okay. I made a cut here to make the German version, and yes.